Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to customize your YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. And before we get into the video, I just wanted to friendly remind you that if you enjoy my content and if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. And if you feel up to it, just hitting that notification button so you can be notified whenever I post new videos so that you can check them out. Let's get into the video. So I'm really excited about today's video because I love customization. I love being able to customize the things that are mine. I love being able to customize the clothes that I wear. I love being able to customize the content that I make. I love being able to customize the camera build that I use. I love just being able to customize things. And so this feature that YouTube allows us to do, it allows us to customize our YouTube channel. So we're gonna go into how we actually do that. And so I'm really excited to share. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna visit your YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel here, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the front page of your YouTube channel, which I think is really important because you may want to promote or advertise certain videos over others. And so I'm gonna show you how to do that. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your YouTube channel, you're gonna go to your profile in the top right, then you're gonna go down to YouTube Studio. So click on YouTube Studio. It may take you to another tab, it may keep you in the same tab, but either way, go to YouTube Studio, and then you'll kind of get a channel dashboard where you'll have channel analytics, you'll have certain things that you can check out about your channel and how it's working and how things are going for your channel. However, what we're talking about today is customization of our YouTube channel. So if over here to the left underneath your profile photo, if you go down to customization, just scroll down a little bit. It may look different on your end depending on what version of computer you have or whatever, but if you go down to customization, for me it's right under earn. So customization, if you click on that, this is where you can channel customization. You can customize your channel. So if you see here, you can add a video spotlight, add a video to the top of your channel homepage, which I think is really cool, and I'm gonna do that for you today to give you an example. But channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, right? So share a preview of your channel shown with people who haven't subscribed yet. I think that's really cool, so let's do that. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna click add. Once I click add, I'm gonna get videos from my YouTube channel that I may wanna promote for people who haven't subscribed yet. So I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna choose one, I'm gonna choose this one. It's a podcast episode where I was interviewed about my journey with social media and entrepreneurship. So I'm gonna choose this one. This is my story, it's episode 43. So I'm gonna click on that. So now whenever somebody comes to my page who isn't subscribed, they're gonna see this video. This is my story so they can get to know me and my journey. I talk about my family, I talk about my experience growing with social media and that type of thing. So that's really cool. That will be the video. That'll be my channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. If we go down one little tab here, featured video for returning subscribers. So this is really cool. So people who already have been subscribed, and when they come back, this video will be there for them. So highlight a video for your subscribers to watch. This video won't be shown again at the top of your page for subscribers who have watched it already. So that's really cool. So if we go and add one of those, we can go and add something that we feel like returning subscribers may want to see. So I really enjoyed this episode here from Kat Torrey, who is a part of Sirhan Group. It's a real estate brokerage and they do amazing work. This was a great episode about just branding advice for people who want to get better at branding. So if I want to click that one will be for returning subscribers. Really cool. I just really like this customization feature. So for you, you can either have this on or off as you see here. And then you can kind of customize, like, do you want your short videos on the top? Do you want popular videos in there? And you can always take them off. So if you want to remove that section, you can always remove that section by clicking this tab right here. It's just the three little dots on the right of the tab. So that's a little bit from the layout formation of channel customization. Now we're going to get into the branding aspect of customizing your YouTube channel. If you didn't know that you could do this, this is where you can change your picture. So if you want to change your picture, you can change it, you can remove it, you can do that right here. Your banner image on your YouTube channel home profile page, you can change that as well here. You can change it, you can remove it, whatever you want to do. And it also gives you the dimensions right here. So if you want to change something maybe in Canva or something like that, it gives you the dimensions right there. This is also very cool. So add a video watermark. So if you want to add a video watermark, the watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner right here in the video player. Also gives you dimensions. So an image that's 150 times 150 pixels is recommended, right? So it gives you that option right here as to how you can change that, which I think is really cool. Then you have your basic info. You can change your username, handle. You can change your actual profile name here. If you want to add some pronouns, you can add them there. And then your description. So if you want to add some description, you can change or add that as well. And you can always add a new language. Your channel URL, which is important to find sometimes, is right here. So you can find that right there. If you want to add any other links, if you have a website that you want to add, if you want to add other social links, you can add them right here. So I just found this really cool. Before you exit channel customization, once you've added these videos here, make sure that you hit publish, right? Or it's not going to show up. So if we hit publish, then we're going to be able to see, okay, we can either go to channel here or we can just say view channel. It'll take us to a new tab. But then you'll see here that this is my story, right? This is my story. This is the video that I want non-subscribers to see when they visit my channel. So they're going to be able to get kind of a glimpse of who I am and what my journey has been like up to this point. And so this is about a 50-minute interview that goes over my story, which I think is really cool. And now that is featured at the top of my channel for people who haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So I think that's really cool. And then obviously you have your For You videos, which are some podcast episodes that I've had, and then we have some shorts as well. So I hope this was helpful for you. Leave a comment down below if you have any other questions about channel customization. It's a simple thing, but not many people know that you can customize it to that point and to that extreme. So I'm excited for you to try it. Please, as I mentioned before, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot. Like this video, leave a comment, say hello, and I'll see you at the next video. Thank you.